Hey everyone, we all know that part of a good video is a good audio. You might accept a low quality video, but a video with a low quality audio wouldn't be the same. In my videos, as a mic I'm using the Deity D3 Pro, but frequently I really need to move around the desk while shooting my videos, and for doing that I needed a wireless solution. So I decided to give it a try to the Synco G2 A1 kit. I will go with a quick unboxing and then we will go through the full specs of this Synco G2 A1.
Okay, this is the box with some info on it. I will go on that in a minute. This is the version A1, which have one transmitter and one receiver. There is also the version A2 with two receivers and one transmitter. But before opening the box, please be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Let's open the box. Okay, inside the box there is this small manual here. This this quick guide also, which is in English. All the kit is inside this rigid bag, which I find to be really nice. It's a really nice rigid bag. Okay, here we can find the transmitter and here is the receiver also. This small bag here has all the accessories inside and we'll go on that in a minute. Okay, this is the windshield. They also said dead cat. This one goes straight to the microphone. What else we have here? Okay, the clip for the lavalier mic. The pin for resetting the devices. And the windshield of the lavalier mic. Okay, this is the lavalier mic. This is the cable to connect the receiver to the camera. You can see also here the logo of the camera, so you cannot make a mistake on where to connect it. And this is the cable to connect to the mobile devices. And this is the cable for charging the devices. This is a USB Type-C cable, which is split in two parts, so you can charge the two devices at the same time. Okay, let's check the transmitter. Here we have the microphone, the incorporated microphone, this one here. Here is the connection for the lavalier mic. This is the USB Type-C port for charging it. This button here is for turning on the device and also for muting the microphone. This is a small screen here. This is the hole for resetting all the settings, and this is the low cut filter, and this button here is for pairing with other devices. This is the clip here. And here we have the receiver, which is basically almost the same. This is the USB port for charging this is the mute button also for turning on the device, the screen, which is exactly the same as the other one. Here we have the output. Here we have the headphone for monitoring the audio. This is also the reset button here. This is the volume or the gain of the microphone. And this is also the button for pairing and the clip also. Okay, let's go with some specs. The wireless transmission is 2.4 GHz. The working distance is about 70 meters. The dimensions are 52, 42 and 70 millimeters, and the weight of both of the devices is 39 grams. They are basically the same devices. The only difference is that one in the transmitter there is a mic included, and here we have the audio monitoring and the output to connect to the device. Okay, let's turn them on and check if they are paired. It should be. You have to hold the button here for 2 seconds, this button here. Oh, this is on the receiver. And let's go check the transmitter. Okay. Okay, they seems to be paired already. Okay, this icon here is for the gain. So if you press this button here, you can see the numbers are changing. I will leave it on 0. And the other icons we have here is the battery, the status. The only thing here is that you don't have a percentage of the battery. You have just simply, you have simply the battery icon and nothing else. This icon here it means that it's paired with the receiver. And this is the microphone. It means that it's active, it's not muted. If you press it like this, if you press the mute button here, you can see. And on transmitter we have basically the same icons. This is the volume of the mic. We have the same icons, the microphone, the pairing icon and the battery icon. So if you mute it, you will see the microphone muted. I'm going to charge the battery and test the audio of the mics reading a small text.
Okay, this is my voice with included mic. There is no post-processing or effects. I will read a short text. The study of truth is in one sense difficult, in another easy. This is shown by the fact that whereas no person can obtain an adequate grasp of it, we cannot all fail in the attempt. Let's try out the included lavalier mic. Also here, there is no post-processing or effects. I will read a short text. The study of truth is in one sense difficult, in another easy. This is shown by the fact that whereas no one person can obtain an adequate grasp of it, we cannot all fail in the attempt. Okay, one thing to mention is that I'm not going to use them outside. I will use this mic only indoor, but anyway I will test here inside the house at about 20 meters away with 3 walls on the middle to check if there is any issues. I'm about 10 meters away from the mic. Hopefully everything is okay. Now I reach almost 25 meters with 3 walls on the middle, and hopefully you can still hear me. Now I'm back on the same room and let's check if everything was okay. The Synco G2 A1 is a really good wireless mic. Portable, with a lot of features, and with a good mic quality. This is for sure a really interesting and cheaper alternative to the most famous Rode Wireless Go. There are a lot of pros and also some cons. For example, there is no percentage of the battery on the screen, so you don't know how much is the percentage of the battery. You just see the icon from green to yellow and then just orange, and that's it. Another thing is also the self noise of the mic. Okay, all the mics have self noises, but nothing, also this one have of course a self noise, nothing that you cannot adjust in the post processing. You can use Audacity or other softwares out there just to reduce a little bit the noise. For the price tag and the mic quality, I found the Synco G2 A1 kit to be an amazing choice for your must-have video equipment. It is wireless, you can connect it everywhere, mobile devices, cameras, computers, tablets, has a rechargeable battery, and it comes in a really interesting bag with basically all the cables that you need. As usual guys, if you like this video, please, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.